So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your seller.co account to customize everything that you will need. So after creating an account, know that the email you use to create is the email that you are going to use as your username to log in, and the password. So sometimes if you log into your browser and come back, they will ask you to log in again. So make sure that the password, not forget the password. Although if you forget the password, they will help you to recover the password. So now you can see, you can still search seller.co to sign in, seller.co. So when you click on seller.co, at this time you are going to click on this three line here. Click on it. When you click on it, you see where they say login. You see login here. Click on login. So when you click on login, they are asking you username and password. So I'm going to skip here to enter my username and password. Remember, your email is your username. They say username or email. Then after you enter your password, click on login. So when you click on login here, now they're asking you don't have any product yet. So they want you to enter your bank details. But before we can enter bank details, I want to take you around. If we click on this three line here, if we click here, you can see where they say creator. So that means you have subscribed to a creator. The dashboard you are seeing here is a creator. If we click on this three line here, then you can see this drop down arrow here. If you click on this drop down arrow, you can choose to switch to affiliate profile. You can choose to switch to customer profile. You can choose here to log out. So now, but you always log in as a creator, because you are not as an affiliate, you are not as a customer. So you always leave it on creator. Except you want to do something, if you want to promote any other person product. So now you can, as you can see your name here, John Adebayo. You are on a starter. This thing is totally free. Button here is home. So this home now is going to take you back here. So let me click on this line at the top left corner. Then if you see the drop down arrow here, you can see wallet and payment. If you click on wallet and payment, if you click on wallet here, they're going to take you where you can see the wallet. So if you want to withdraw now, for example, if you have fund inside the seller.com account, you can see the withdrawal button here. But right now you don't have anything here to withdraw. If you have anything here to withdraw, it will show here. There's nothing here to withdraw. So if you click there, then click on payout. This payout means the total amount they have paid you. People that they help you collect money from them and they pay you. You can see everything here. If you click down here, if you see down, you see all currency. If you click here, you can see these are the all currency. So as a Nigerian, once you create account, they will set your payment as a Nigerian. So the payment now is tick as a Nigerian. You can see they are receiving payment from NGN, from USD, from GBP, this is GSA, that's Ghana, Kenya, ZAR, TZA, like that, about 10 different currency. So they will help you to collect money from those currency and convert it to Naira. So now let me click this line here again. Then if you scroll up, you see upcoming payment. If you click on upcoming payment here, there's nothing to show here, but once you see anything upcoming payment, that's mean if they want to pay you tomorrow, you see the amount here, the time and the date they will pay you, and the money will deposit in your wallet. So if you scroll up here, let's go to setting. If you go to setting here now, where you can change password. See where you can change password here. That is all about setting. So now let's go back to home. So if you go back to home now, they are asking you to add bank details. So make sure that you enter your bank that is correct and the name is showing the same with the name of your profile, and make sure that your bank is active. So there are different banks you can enter here. Then the next thing you are going to do is click on add bank details, where you give them your bank account, your bank name, so that whenever you make a sale or whenever somebody subscribes to your web app and they help you collect the money, they will send the money direct to your bank while you are sleeping. So click on add bank details. So when you click on add bank details, there are so many banks here. So the first one they suggest here is Access Bank. But before I will proceed, seller is working from Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Benin, and those countries here. So if you are not a Nigerian, seller is going to automatically select your country. So as a Nigerian, seller select my country, Nigeria, as Nigeria. So now you are going to enter your bank. You can search the name of your bank here if you know the name of your bank. If you did not get here, and I believe almost all the bank are here, so mine is Zenith Bank, then I will choose Zenith Bank. Then here I will enter my Zenith Bank account number. So I will enter my Zenith Bank account number here. So after you enter your account number, click on verify account details. So when you click on verify, you can see this is my name here. So I will click on continue. So they will ask you, are you sure that you want to use as this account as your details? Then click on OK. All of this you can come back and edit anytime you want. So now you have added your bank details. All these things they are asking that you don't have any product yet, don't worry. This one now we are going to ask you to send your seller.co account email and login, so that we're going to add the product. This is where we were the one that are going to work on this one, because we know what we're going to do here. It's a kind of connection. We're going to connect where they say add product. You connect with your web app and you are having issue with them. They always have support thing on their website where you can contact them. They will respond to you. So that's how you can add your bank details.